Solve the system by any method. 6/5 x minus 1/3 y equals negative 20. Negative 2/3 x plus 1/6 y equals 11. To solve this system, regardless of which method we'll use, let's first eliminate the fractions to make things a little easier. To do that, we'll multiply each equation by the LCD of that equation. So we're going to multiply our first equation by 15, and we'll multiply the second equation by 6. With the first equation, when we multiply by 15, we get 18x minus 5y is equal to negative 300. With the second equation, when we multiply by 6, we have negative 4x plus y equals 66. Notice that the coefficient of y in the second equation is 1, and so we can solve for y and use the substitution method. Solving for y, we have y equals 4x plus 66. Now we can substitute 4x plus 66 in for y in the first equation. When we do that, we have 18x minus 5 times 4x plus 66 is equal to negative 300. Using the distributive property to simplify the left side, we have 18x minus 20x minus 330 is equal to negative 300. Combining like terms, we have negative 2x minus 330 equals negative 300. We then add 330 to both sides to get negative 2x equals 30. And finally, we divide both sides by negative 2 to get x equals negative 15. Now that we've found x equals negative 15, we can substitute negative 15 for x into our equation for y to solve for y. We have y equals 4 times negative 15 plus 66. 4 times negative 15 is equal to negative 60, so we have y equals negative 60 plus 66. And adding, we have y equals 6. So we found the solution, negative 15, 6. By substituting negative 15 for x and 6 for y into both of the original equations, we find that this solution does satisfy both equations, and so our solution set is the set containing negative 15, 6.